If you want one sauce that is very versatile that you can enjoy with rice, yam, spaghetti, beans, and even sometimes swallow, this is the sauce for you. Let me show you how I made it. Your one stop shouldn't be your last, so make sure you subscribe, like, share. The list of all the ingredients I used will be in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. Firstly, I went in with my palm oil. Next, we'll go with the vegetable oil. The vegetable oil I'm using is the one I use to fry my fish and chicken, so it's already flavorful. Next, I'll go in with my locust beans, also called iru. Then I'll go in with my dry fish and my stock fish. I'll stir everything together to combine. Guys, we are building flavor here, so stay with me. You want to add a little bit of salt here to taste, and you keep on frying it for another few minutes. Next up, I'll go with my pepper mix, which consists of Tatasha, Shambo, tomatoes, pepper, and onions, and I'll stir everything together for them to understand the assignment. I went to my diced pomo next. After about 10 minutes, I'll come back to check on it, and I'll just stir everything to combine. Guys, you want to fry this to perfection to make sure that the tomatoes, pepper, Tatasha, Shambo, everything is properly done. I'm going in with a little bit of chicken stock. I'll stir it together to combine. Next up, I'll add my seasoning of choice, which is salt, seasoning cube. I'm using the Tasty seasoning cube, and crayfish. I'll cover and allow it to fry. Next up, I came back after 5 to 10 minutes, and I stirred again, and I went in with dry pepper. Guys, I like my food spicy, so please feel free to skip this part. At this point, I will introduce my protein of choice, which is fish and chicken. You can use any protein for this food. It's going to taste absolutely yummy. I'm careful when I'm stirring it because I don't want the fish to scatter. I'll cover and allow everything to marry together so I don't understand the assignment and know why they are here. After a few minutes, I came back to remove the fish first because I want to add the vegetable to it, and you don't want to add vegetable while your fish is still on fire. If not, the fish is going to scatter. So I will remove the entire fish I use, and by the way, I'm using scumbia fish. So guys, if you're new here, welcome to my space. My name is Rosemary, and to my returning subscribers, kiss on all your beautiful, wonderful, and unique cheeks. Please don't forget to like this video, to comment and share. Next up, I'm going to cover this vegetable because guys, I don't like my vegetable spilling on me, so I'll cover it and allow it to do its thing. Guys, you can enjoy this vegetable sauce with rice, yam, spaghetti. It is very versatile and it is very, very yummy. I'm done stirring the vegetable, and guys, just look at how beautiful this looks. Very, very yummy and very, very delicious. With little or no ingredients, you can achieve this. So guys, let me introduce you to goodness and mercy in one pot. Guys, look at how the burst of flavor from everything combined together in this pot. It is just so yummy. I served mine with rice. You can enjoy this with beans, spaghetti, yam. It tastes absolutely delicious. So guys, catch you lovelies in my next video. Bye for now.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go, go, go.